Oh, she's off. we're coming to get you.
We're coming. Here we go.
Wait, okay, go ahead. Well, that was a fail.
We need
You ready?
Yeah.
Here, Bob, hold this for a second.
Maybe it's because the snow's too high.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
It's the snow.
We gotta get the four-wheeler now. I'll get the four-wheeler up and running. We'll tie it up and drag y'all around. Let's check on the chickies. Well. Y'all staying warm? There's 7 of you. Alright. Make sure nobody curved out. What?
I'm making a print with this.
Okay. You're ready to go, ain't you? I gotta pull the truck up. We got the generator on it, and we gotta jump it. Alright. Get the truck and generator rolling. Try and get this bad boy started. I left it outside like a dummy. And battery is completely dead. Yeah, we got about a foot of snow, if not more. Kids are off school. We're under level 3. Level 3 snow emergency, so yeah. So kids are off school. I'm off work. Mom had to go into work. She worked for the Schwartzton Healthcare, so she had to go to work. So, wipe your face off. Try to enjoy the snow day while we can. Sleds aren't working out so good, so we got to pull them with a four-wheeler. You all right? Let's see if she'll start. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That didn't take no time at all. Run. How much gas we got? I need to get some gas in her, but she should be alright. Put all the stuff back. Hook up some sleds. This thing died on me a couple times. Try to ride it and get it warmed up.
I'm gonna throw a snowball at Dad. That was fun. Here comes my dad, and here comes my sister. All right, let's go. I'm down. My turn, but I hold the camera. All right. Daddy, go ahead. Wait, I need my hat on. Let's go!
This thing's waterproof, huh?
Yeah.
Ready? Huh? You okay?
Yes, something just like scratched my hand. I'm fine.
All right. Tough girl. Oh, she's off. we're coming to get you.
We're coming.
I keep forgetting. I take it out to drive.
There we go.
go super fast?
Daddy, it's my turn to hold the camera in there.
Okay. Here, dump that.
It's my turn to hold the camera.
All right.
Hi guys. Yeah. I don't want to hold this anymore. Here. Thanks. Now I want to
I want to make sure it's cleaned off. Yeah, put your hat back on. Let me see the red light and it's recording. Ready? Huh? You might want to do it the other way because your neck's going to get soaked.
I actually felt like that, so I didn't mean to do it on purpose. Come on, Dad, you got this. Here you go. Go, 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 go. What the heck is happening? Okay, now turn us. Woo! She looked silly.
Faster?
She said faster. Maybe not that fast. Still on, Dad? My turn now. One more time for me.
Huh?
One more time for me. Okay. I can hold the camera.
Just make sure you hold it up so we can see her.
Oh crap. Okay. I can just hold it down. No, like this. Like this high?
You gotta be able to see what you're recording. So try to get like the side angle so we can see Emery.
I can
There
see
you
her.
go.
There you go. I'm gonna hold it so I can see her. There she is. There's Miss Emery. Ah! Where is she? Where is she, Dad? Oh, there she is.
You alright? Get ice in your face?
My neck is. What's she doing?
Fun?
What's she doing? Oh, it's my turn now.
hair's frozen. Cold one out today, huh? You having fun? Yeah. Alright. Ready? I keep... struggles going uphill in this.
Where are we?
Let Emery go on.
No, I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay here.
Alright.
She can keep her.
Ready?
Yeah.
Why don't you dump that?
No.
Okay. How was that?
One more.
Hold on. Well, that's all we got for you today. Short little video. Just me hanging out with the kids, enjoying our day off, the snowstorm. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.